Good morning, everybody. This is Cory at Barstools DInettes. Today we're going to go over some of our Amish furniture selection we've got here from Daniels Amish. Thank you for tuning back into the video series here. We're located at 8620 Glenwood Avenue. We're in the showroom this morning. If you have any questions, post it in the comments. You can also give us a call at 919-787-6680 and speak to someone directly in the showroom. See anything in the showroom during the videos that you like, you can email us about it as well. Our email address is barstoolsdinette@gmail.com. All right. So to get into it, our featured Amish collection is Daniels Amish. They do source their wood from the USA, and everything is built in Holmes County, Ohio there. Really neat story on how this company started. Daniel Yoder had a son, had some health issues going on, and couldn't maintain his job as the stonemason, so he started carving little carts. I actually think I got one over here. Let's see. So he started out carving these little guys so he could sell those, make some money, help his son out. Once his son got better, he decided to move back into the furniture and stick with bedroom. This was one of his original ads. That is a pony, a full-grown pony in the drawers, and it does hold the weight like that. Super solid stuff. So he came up, or started out making mostly bedroom, and then jumped into the dining as well. Everything made by Daniels Amish is solid hardwoods. We've got oak here, cherry, and maple. There's a variety of colors for every type of wood. They will also use paints. They will not paint a tabletop, though. You definitely don't want that. Whites, grays, blues as well. So let's talk about some of their selections. They have a variety of chair styles. Their chairs come with a padded seat, without a padded seat, arms, or no arms. Lots of different chair styles in here to test out as well. This is the Bozeman chair, probably our best-selling chair of the line. I'm biased, but I think it's the best sitting chair as well. Again, all of these chairs come in different wood types and finishes. Lots of variety. The tables are the same way. Tables come in all shapes and sizes here. This is what they call a boat-shaped table. So if you look down the edge here, it's got a little bow. You can also see some leaves in the table. These tables come with up to 12 leaves in them. We actually delivered a 18-foot long table that had 12 leaves in it. We'll post some of those pictures. That was a big table. Solid wood is a very easy to clean if you're putting it in your kitchen. It's a good material. Just to give you an idea on how many options you have, this is one of their chair tear sheets. We have about 15 different chair styles in the showroom. along with some bar stools, lots of tables. Their tabletops can get thick too. So this is, just to prove it's all solid wood, let me get under here. That is a solid slab all the way through. It's not a faux edge. So this is the landing table with the Morgan chairs. Again, they make armchairs and side chairs here. Here's the side chair and the armchair. This is a distressed maple tabletop. It's very subtly distressed. It's beautiful wood though. Let's see if we can get a better angle on this right here. Wormholes. Some more, and it's a random distressing as well, so it looks natural. There is a matching bar stool. This comes in a swivel version as well. If this stool swivels, they just put a different base on the bottom like this, and it keeps that top area. Alright, so this set right here, this is the Empire chair. This is a design your own set. So with this table, you choose your edge, you choose your leg, you choose your size of the whole table, and then you pick out your chair style, obviously to match. So these are the edge profiles. Switching over to the E4 edge, which is just a simple small round over edge. Nice beveled edge here. This is the edge that's currently on that table. It's just a solid, flat edge. Gives you the most tabletop space. You don't waste any of that with the bevel on there. Round over edge. And then, of course, all the different leg styles under here. Some simple, some with nice decorative cuts in there, kind of taper off at the bottom. Just recently ordered a table with this leg, so it kind of comes and flares out too. That'll be interesting to see that when it comes in. We also have some traditional legs. Nice turnstile. Lots of solid detail. Alright, so you pick your table shape, your table size, your legs, and then what type of wood you want. So here's the oak. All of these options. They have quarter sawn oak as well. It creates a whole different profile on the texture of the wood. So oak, and then quarter sawn oak. All they do is quarter the tree in order to get the boards out. That's what gives it varying textures in the grain. There's a selection of cherry wood as well. Nice, smooth, subtle grain. Cherry wood takes the stain very well, absorbs it. And there's maple here. Maple's the only wood they'll paint. The reason being is the grain of a maple is very dense, so it doesn't tend to absorb the stain quite as well as cherry or oak, which makes it easier to paint because the paint sticks better. And then, of course, that distressed maple. some of those faux wormholes. They will also do the edging on the tables if you want a distressed edge, but you don't have to get the distressed edge. Their last option is this barnwood. Lay that down. We've got a stool with this on it. Very dense, old wood from actual barns that they tear down. We've got a stool over here. So it shows a lot of character. They do pick out some of the dark areas and put them on as accents. But you can see the build quality as well. Glued and screwed together on the arms and then capped. Alright. As I said, they've got traditional styles as well. This is a very high back chair. Very comfortable. This one does only come in a wood seat. There's Harley hanging out. So I talked about the Bozeman being our most popular chair. Here's another version. This is in the oak. If you like grain, oak on this chair really shows it off. It's a beautiful back. Again, this company's making everything out of Holmes County, Ohio there. There's some great videos on their website too that show how they make their furniture. They make leg tables. There's some of the chairs again. And pedestal tables. Again, just because these are shown in a certain shape or size doesn't mean you have to get it. Everything is custom made. Multiple sizes. They also have curio cabinets and buffets. Let me slide over here, get a better angle. You can make these with glass doors, wood doors, lots of different options. There's a sideboard from them. Really neat feature. Pull out buffet shelf, extra space, and then it hides away. Doesn't really take up much space as far as storage goes. All solid wood, dovetailed, not thin wood either. Look at that. That's about as thick as a finger. Underneath, we don't have the shelf in here, but it does come with one shelf to go all the way across. This one has a wine rack in it. If you didn't like the wine rack or you didn't want the storage here in the center, you can get shelving as well. The glass doors don't have to be glass, they can be wood. Again, really solid construction. This construction came from the bedroom and the slides on the bed as well. I think I was showing you earlier. Go back over here. So we did test all the drawers with the pony in there. Could put Harley on the table, see if it holds him up. I think we'd be all right. Again, with all of your cabinets, there's different hardware selections. Nickel, oil rub bronze, some chrome at the bottom. Some hammered finishing. Antique brass. Very sleek and modern hardware as well. So some of their choices for the chairs are on our display center here, our design center. Lots of different fabrics, vinyls, and real top grain leathers. You can tell by the backing on here. Thick, high quality grade. Well, if you have any questions about Daniels Amish, don't be afraid to reach out. Give us a call, 919-787-6680. You can email or put a message on here. We'll get back to you. If you want a quote on anything you see, please let us know. Be happy to give you pricing, talk to you about custom options. You can even schedule a time to come in the showroom and get one-on-one attention with our expert decorators. Don't forget to check out the Daniels Amish website as well. They do have a build your own section. That's danielsamish.com. We also have a nice big section and selection of Daniels Amish on our website to show you. It's barstoolsdinettes.com as well. Just click on the Amish tab. Showing all the dining room here, but we have ordered bedrooms before. They have a large bedroom collection. We've got plenty of tear sheets. Bedroom is the same way, lots of different options for each piece. Different layouts customized to your needs. Underbed storage. They've got bookshelf headboards as well. The corners are blocked for stability. Cast aluminum brackets on every corner with the slats. Thank y'all again for joining us to check out Daniels Amish today. Make sure you like and follow us for other videos in the series. Next Tuesday morning, we're going to dive into some more bar stools from Tobias Designs. They are made in Liberty, North Carolina. Just a little preview of that. He has metal and wood stools, and also caster dining. Glass, wood, metal, all custom colors, fabrics, and he's got a quick ship program we can talk about next week, where you can get semi-custom furniture, different materials, in under a month. Hand built. Thanks again for joining us today, y'all. Again, if you have any questions, my name's Cory. Give us a call, drop a comment down, and we'll respond.